Welcome to Income Nook. Learn about income saving and earning. Thanks for visiting. Have you ever wondered how to save money for a vehicle? Saving money can often feel like a daunting task, but with the right strategies, it can become a manageable and even enjoyable endeavor. When it comes to purchasing a vehicle, having a solid savings plan can make all the difference, turning what might seem like a distant dream into an achievable reality. In this video, we will explore 5 effective strategies that will help you save money for your dream vehicle. Firstly, let's discuss the power of diversifying income. Now you might be thinking, I'm already working a full-time job, how can I possibly earn more? Well, in the era we're living in, opportunities to supplement your income are more accessible than ever before. Take side gigs, for instance. These are small, flexible jobs that you can do in your spare time. They could be anything from freelance writing to dog walking to renting out your car when you're not using it. Thanks to the internet, finding these gigs is easier than ever. And then there's the option of starting a side business. This could be something you're passionate about, like baking, crafting, or even restoring cars. Not only could this bring in extra income, but it could also provide a creative outlet. The important thing to remember here is that every little bit helps. An extra $50 a week might not seem like much, but over a year it adds up to over $2,000. That could be a significant chunk of your vehicle's down payment right there. But besides the financial benefits, diversifying your income also provides a safety net. In the event of a job loss or financial emergency, having multiple streams of income can be a lifesaver. It reduces the risk and gives you a bit more financial stability. So, diversifying your income can be a smart move to gather funds quickly. And who knows? You might even discover a new passion or career path along the way. The second strategy involves sharing financial responsibilities. Now, we're not suggesting you hound your nearest and dearest for funds, but rather consider a joint venture. Let's say you're a car enthusiast, and you have a friend or family member who shares the same passion. By combining your resources, you could potentially get that dream car much quicker. This strategy isn't just about pooling money though, it's also about sharing the costs associated with owning a car. Think insurance, maintenance, and fuel costs. When these expenses are divided, they become less daunting and more manageable. It's important to note that this approach requires trust and clear communication. Discuss your expectations, set boundaries, and ensure everyone involved understands their commitments. This isn't a one-size-fits-all strategy, but for some, it could be a game changer. It's about leveraging your collective strength to achieve a common goal. Remember, sharing responsibilities can lighten the financial burden and speed up your saving process. Thirdly, let's focus on conserving energy. Now you might be wondering, how does energy conservation tie into saving money for a vehicle? Well, conserving energy in our daily lives can lead to significant savings over time. These savings can then be redirected towards our vehicle fund. Think about the energy we use in our homes every day. Can we be more efficient? Absolutely. By using energy-efficient appliances, programming our thermostats, and simply switching off lights when they're not in use, we can significantly reduce our energy bills. But it doesn't stop there. Have you considered your driving habits? Rapid acceleration and hard braking can increase fuel consumption. So by adopting smoother driving techniques, not only will you save on fuel costs, but you'll also reduce wear and tear on your vehicle, saving you even more money in the long run. And remember, public transportation, biking, or walking are not just healthier alternatives, they're also energy efficient. Each time you choose these options over driving, you're saving energy and money, which can be put towards your vehicle fund. By conserving energy, you are not only helping the environment, but also your wallet. The fourth strategy is about maximizing savings. Now let's imagine a scenario. You've been setting aside some cash from your income, but it's just sitting in your current account. Well, it's time to change that. Setting up a dedicated savings account for your vehicle fund can be a game changer. It mentally segregates your vehicle savings from your daily expenses, making it less tempting to dip into the fund for non-vehicle related expenses. And the best part? Savings accounts often come with interest rates, turning your bank into a silent partner contributing to your vehicle fund. But opening a savings account is just the start. The real magic happens when you maximize your savings rate. This is where you adjust your lifestyle and spending habits to save as much as you can. It might mean cutting back on non-essential expenses, like that daily gourmet coffee, or it could be as simple as setting a monthly savings goal and sticking to it. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar closer to your dream vehicle. You might be surprised at how quickly small changes can add up. And yes, it might be challenging at first, but think of the satisfaction when you're finally behind the wheel of your dream vehicle. Maximizing your savings can significantly speed up the process of buying your dream vehicle. Finally, let's discuss the importance of avoiding debts. When saving for a vehicle, it's essential to set a clear timeline. This will help you stay on track with your savings and avoid the temptation to make unnecessary purchases that could set you back. Now let's talk about avoiding debts. Debts can be a big obstacle in your journey to buying your dream vehicle. High interest rates can make it difficult to keep up with payments and can quickly eat into your savings. That's why it's important to avoid taking on new debts as much as possible. The goal here is to maintain a healthy saving habit. This means cutting down on unnecessary expenses. For instance, do you really need that new phone or those designer shoes? Probably not. These are the kinds of purchases that can quickly accumulate and eat into your vehicle fund. Being mindful of your spending habits can also help you avoid debts. Consider using a budgeting app or tool to track your expenses. This can give you a clear overview of where your money is going and help you identify areas where you can cut back. Remember, every dollar you save is a dollar closer to your dream vehicle. It might not seem like much at first, but these small savings can quickly add up over time. So, to wrap it up, setting a clear timeline and avoiding debts are crucial steps in saving for a vehicle. They help maintain your savings and keep you on the right path towards your goal. Remember, avoiding debts and unnecessary expenses can keep your savings intact and help you reach your goal faster. Let us quickly recap what we have discussed today. We explored the importance of diversifying income, such as starting a side business or picking up an additional gig. We discussed sharing financial responsibilities with loved ones to lighten the load. We stressed on energy conservation, a simple yet effective method to save. We talked about maximizing savings by leveraging a savings account. Finally, we emphasized avoiding debts to keep your financial health in check. By implementing these strategies, you can effectively save for your dream vehicle. Start today and drive tomorrow. If you enjoyed the video, please click subscribe, like the video, or click the bell to get new videos. Income Nook deals with investing, income earning and saving, and more related subjects. Thanks for visiting.